Alright, so I'm at the Jamaica Observer office. You know, it's the Novia office around there, so and the Ratchet one there around this at work. And this is a new episode in the series, Dutty Lyrics. Something nice. Dutty Lyrics. So we'll basically look at dancehall lyrics and we'll examine it and try and make sense of it. So today's song is Vanessa Bling's Future Guaranteed. You ever heard the song yet before?
No. A lifetime stand in touch you, but him love me, mispretend to be my future guarantee.
So the first line is ease yourself, him get a one touch. Vanessa Bling.
What he's saying is just listen, just go and sit down because basically he's not into you.
Not into your one touch, right? One touch means like a one slam,
one night stand.
And yes, and see she said just go sit down and hang up. Wait, you know what hang up mean?
Hang up the phone.
No, it's not a case where she needs credit. It's a saying that she has a catchphrase means shut down, this is over.
Yeah.
So then she says to him, stop going like a year man.
What she's perhaps saying is that
Yeah.
she still has ring.
She still has the ring, so she have
They
the title.
probably signed a prenup.
So she
So
need to
he's
understand
going
herself.
nowhere.
Yeah, know that you're just a one night
you have
stand. So
it.
this is Vanessa Bling and tell the matey that she needs to
just a one.
understand her place. Just like your dream girls, you know, one night only. That's
dear.
all they get, a one ticket.
One night only, one night only.
That's all. Yeah, voice gone.
I like that song actually.
Yeah, that's just
Jennifer
really nice.
Hudson, yeah.
One night only.
Him and I plan a lifetime span.
Right, you know, when you go to the altar together.
Yeah.
And
But I think she's not really married. Because Vanessa
well,
Bling
you
no
know,
married the man, but
things have changed now.
Yeah.
After 5 years, you get 50%.
I never know that.
Taxes.
But Vanessa Bling, I think she used to date Carter back in the day.
Oh dear.
Yes, I don't know much
Oh
money she's
dear.
entitled to.
Oh
Yeah, moving
dear.
right along.
Moving right
Oh,
along very
gosh.
quickly. All you have to do is slide this.
Oh,
Don't
slide.
panic.
Him touch you,
But
him love me. What do you think this is?
Touch you, but him love
Yeah,
you.
what do you think this is
Well,
basically saying?
basically, he probably didn't shower. He probably didn't, put the powder on and,
Oh,
and the right cologne.
The right, him need some
He
Febreze, him need
Exactly.
some camphor
he
ball.
didn't.
And she called the mate him, it's pretend to be. My future is guaranteed, that's what she said.
After a decade,
Yeah.
it's called 50%.
She entitled.
That's correct.
Yeah, and I guess she never have no more lyrics right, so she repeat the
There you
same
have
thing,
it.
him touch you.
It could be a
And
touch like, when you're watching Scandal and when the president passes,
Yeah.
is that touch?
yeah, that one touch and she
one
just get
touch.
weak, yeah.
You should just get
Gets
weak.
weak. I
Oh
don't
my
know.
God.
Careless of
Right?
Olivia. Olivia's kid. I don't. In the second verse now, Miss Hollywood, my body good. She said, and the wife is saying, I forget the money. Get the money
because as I
because
said-
me should. Time hard in Jamaica, so everybody
So
have to
therefore,
secure,
he's
yeah.
not really going to, want to mash
So
up.
she goes
the
on
house.
and said, don't get this misunderstood.
Don't get it twisted.
Yeah, don't get it twisted. Yeah, the pigeon head. That's
Oh
not a nice
dear.
thing to call somebody a pigeon head. The chicken head in the coop.
Oh dear.
You ever see a chicken head in a coop? Yes.
No.
That's not cool. That's not cool.
I don't think it's flattering.
It's not flattering, but
Probably
it's the
is
matey.
that moment when the rain has wet you and
The
you
rain.
have not found your way to the hairdresser yet.
Oh, jeez, I'm
Yeah.
being my Donald Trump moment. Say, you get the one touch, my man a star. The man cheat on her, but she defend the man same way, and that's called the man. Typical Jamaican. Take care yourself when me and him apart. You say,
Out
whenever
there,
you're out there with
together.
your man, the matey must run behind, run for cover.
Hold your corner.
Yeah.
Know your place.
Hear this now. Me get the champagne.
Me get the bar.
You get the back seat in the car.
Well, there you have it. And there you have it.
Everybody
But then,
know that wife is place is in the front seat.
Why would you go out for a burger and you've got your, you've got your filet mignon at home?
So now I think she reached like the hook of the song, and this is where she said nobody don't know them future,
True, you
which is
don't-
true.
You don't know what tomorrow.
Not
may
everybody is
bring. 5
Raven
minutes
Simone.
from
That's
now.
so Raven that can. I guess she should have faith, and she said,
But
but
we're gonna
we
be
are going to be
together.
together.
Yeah.
Like Mariah Carey. Oh, but that never worked out with
Oops,
Shannon
that never
Cannon.
worked out. No,
yeah,
no.
yeah, it never worked
Kind of
out.
like, let's
We
see,
belong
Romeo and Juliet,
together.
Titanic.
Yeah.
We belong together.
You're in my life forever. So although the man give her bun and go take a one touch from one other girl,
What
she's
did they
still.
say? There's this thing about cooking stew peas or something like that.
Oh yeah, for time,
Miguel
man. Like
told
if
me
you
that if
Miguel.
Yeah, Miguel told us that. Like, cooking
Miguel,
stew
what were you
peas.
talking about? Yes. And you drop things in there, you tire people. So if you're free, you must free. Don't eat scoop from anybody.
Right, 'cause it ties them.
Yeah, tie them. So maybe that is what. No, Vanessa Bling don't let them something
She did,
there.
because
My
you know-
horoscope.
Yeah.
So she reading the Observer.
That's right.
She read the Observer in the morning
Because,
time and get up and look through her horoscope. I don't know. She's Gemini,
Today's supposed to
Taurus.
be a good day. He's going to be in your life forever. Don't let anybody upset
And there are people in there that listen to the horoscope more than the Bible.
That's
That
right.
say yes, it says that I'm going to be a millionaire. I'm going to be a millionaire.
But
My horoscope don't tell me my destiny.
I'm Aquarian. For you?
I'm Gemini.
Okay.
Yeah. So what sign are you and what sign is your man and what sign is the mate? It's supposed to meet the horoscope tell her say she deserved the man too. You
It's
get
all
me?
relative.
Like I saw this post on Facebook and it says the Y in your man is silent. The Y in your man is silent.
I love that. That's a tweetable moment.
Yeah,
as
it
Oprah would
is.
say.
It is a tweetable moment.
The why in your man is silent.
silent.
Did you hear that one? The why in your man is silent. I love that.
It's funny. Oh my gosh. Anything him have, may I forget that, so she make her claim.
50-50.
Yeah, she said the house, the car, everything. Me and the
It
wife,
was
me
established whilst
entitled.
they were together.
Exactly. Me no papa show, me no idiot.
Well, you know, she's many things, but she's not silly. And
Yeah, she's
putting up
not.
with foolishness
Yeah,
either.
Miss Independent, so she, yeah, because that's
man,
what
you know
Vanessa
that song,
Bling.
Miss Independent.
Yeah, she have a song called For All My Independent Ladies. Na 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 na. She's contributing to the economy.
She knows how the JPS bill is paid.
Exactly.
On time.
That is it. What do you think about the entire song?
Interesting.
Very
You
interesting.
know, he
Yeah.
touched you, so it's nothing.
One touch. She
One
all it takes
touch.
is one touch.
One touch.
One touch just like that. It's taken, gone.
It's like the chickpea mosquito, that
Yes.
one bite.
No, you have to be careful. Can you imagine if the mosquito there they give bone because everybody in Jamaica get a touch. The lesson for today
The
is
lesson for today is
the
leave
one
other people, man,
alone. Exactly.
What does that say?
Yeah, so the song is
Him no want you.
Ray.
Ray.
So this is it. This is the end of another Dutty lyrics. Yeah, the song is Vanessa Bling's Future Guaranteed. It's really popular right now, and that is it. I don't think nobody hear the song yet. So peace out. Give me a line, so I'm gonna try say something like you say something like me.
Same way, so.
No, give me a more sentence like that. Let me see if we can act it out like you.
When all
When all
is said and done,
is said and done,
ciao ciao.
ciao ciao. I'm Novia McDonald-Whyte.
I am Novia McDonald.
Novia. Same way,
Dr.
so.
Barry, same way, so.
There's
The
called
why
Bad Man
in your
and these are
man
my
is silent.
friends.
That's my line of the year. The why in your man is silent.
Yeah.
The why in your man is silent.
So now
The
move
why
on.
in your man is silent.
So I need to find something to spot from box cover. No, this box cover line is really good for the mosquito situation. It's like box cover.